Okay, class. All right. So these are examples of a couple of essays to show you what you should be doing when you write these essays. Remember that these are analytical essays, which means you're discussing three things: how things work, what effect they have on the comic and the reader, and how they drive the author's point, your point, whatever point that's being made about how these things work, how it happens, how it's successful. Okay, so the easiest way for me to tell you how to do that, you should have had experience with this in 1101 and 1102, but the easiest way for me to do that is to show you this essay and to look at specific sentences. And if you'll notice, the best way to write an analytical sentence is to put the thing that you're discussing, the thing that you're analyzing, like the very first sentence of this essay, the structure and the style, as the subject of the sentence that does the verb. The structure and style of the comic can often convey emotions and narrative better than a movie adaptation. There you go. That's an example. Okay. So these are very good examples of how to write an analytical essay. The one issue that I might have with this first one, it was written so well, I gave it a very low A. But any one of these body paragraphs should have been the subject of the whole essay. I think it would have got a much higher A, maybe even close to a 99 or a 100, had that been the case. But essentially what we have is three different shallow kind of surface area analysis over three different subjects instead of one unified essay over one subject. And it's only because this writing was so good that I did give it a 90. I probably shouldn't have let it gotten any higher than a B. So the thing to take away from this first essay is it is written very well. This is how you write analysis, talking about specific panels, examples, stuff like that. But it could have been even more specific. It could have discussed the red, the black, in specific panels with specific examples, like that first body paragraph, the color scheme should have been an entire essay. The way the story is structured from the second body paragraph, that should have been an entire essay. The idea of, so basically we have kind of a lot of surface analysis and, in that first essay, but it should have all been focused. The second essay here, I think, is a much higher A, and its strength is that it is focused. It is talking about three of the main storylines, three of the mini stories that function through this essay. The only thing I really don't like about it is it starts the conclusion with in conclusion, which is kind of like saying in conclusion, in conclusion, in conclusion. Like, yeah, we got it. It's the last paragraph. But anyways, just wanted to give you an example of this essay as a good strong one because it is focused on one topic, and just so you can see a kind of a look at what you should be shooting for as you write these essays.